Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your jumps or how to end your jumps early in the Sonic Dash game. When you're playing the game, you might sometimes notice that your jumps are too long for certain obstacles, in which case you can perform this technique. Simply when you're in the middle of the jump, swipe down in order to slam back down to the ground. That way you can perform really short jumps if that's what you want. As you can see. Now, if this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.